Good day, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to another episode. So I'm back in Costa Rica for the second time in less than a year. The first time I came, you can check out those other episodes. I went to San Jose, Limon, and Puerto Viejo. Very beautiful country. Again, I've been to the Caribbean side. You can check out those two episodes there, and San Jose, the capital city. So now I'm in the more country part. This is still Limon, Providence. There's a little small town called Guapiles. And I did my research and found there's this app or website where you can volunteer your time in exchange for like accommodations and food. And because you volunteer your time, you now get your hands dirty in a sense with the locals. So I'm at a farm now. I've been here for a week, so it's been a workout, just helping out at the farm. I got some cattle here, some horses, dogs, ducks, sloths. They're high up in the tree. I'm yet to see one up close, but keep you guys posted on that. But yeah, this is Guapiles, a small town in between Limon on the coast, the Caribbean coast, and San Jose. So it's like tucked in away about an hour and a half each way from the capital in Limon. So I'm just going to show you guys a little 360 view of this little farm here. It's a great way to get your hands dirty, detached from the the city life, the hustle and bustle, and just get your hands dirty with Mother Nature. Everything here is green, it's lush, it's beautiful. So yeah, just going to show you all a little bit on this little farm here. It's called El Viejo Del Monte is the name. I'll leave a link if you want to come. Again, it's Worldpackers is the name of the app, the website, where you can come and just get your hands dirty, work on the farm, relax. And let's show you guys around a little bit on this beautiful farm here in Guapiles. Ciao. Okay, so this is a trail here on the farm. Pretty decent sized farm. And then you have a natural spring, a little creek that runs through the farm here. Just watch your step. Very soothing, very relaxing. Just come out here and get your feet wet in a sense, right? I've been here for a week. I actually slept great. A lot of exotic birds here, so they sound very welcoming in the morning. Just want to give you guys a nice little 360 view of this farm here that I volunteered for a week. Just helping out. Minor work, nothing major. So if you do decide to come here, just expect that. It is warm and humid. So dress appropriately and sunscreen, obviously. If you hear the cow in the background, it's because I'm on a farm. A lot of greenery, right? You can come here for a week. I would say 2. Coordinate with the host there. Got a couple creek streams that flows through this farm here. A little pathway. Do some gardening, landscaping, some feeding. So the host will let you know each day what type of work or volunteer work will be performed. So you have these little container type buildings here. This huge area where you can go sit by the fire at the pool there. They have a little kitchen area where you can cook your meals and hang out. Get some shade. I'm actually drying my clothes there because it actually rains a lot here in this part of the country. Actually, most of Costa Rica rains a lot. I'm gonna try to show you guys a little bit of Guapiles. Again, it's a very small town, city. You got a main street, Central Avenue, restaurants, a park. That's about it, really. Another container home here. You can stay. Let's relax. Alright, so that's the exit straight ahead. And I'll leave a link below so you guys can check this place out. Jealous.
Hey. ¿Qué pasa? Hey. Bless you. Salud.
Sí. Hola. ¿Cómo se llama? Detale. Ok. Muy bien. Okay, so I'm volunteering at this farm again. There's a nice little creek, fresh water. In Guapiles, Costa Rica. About an hour to the east of San Jose, the capital city, on the way to Limon. You can check out that other episode. So I decided to volunteer at this pretty decent sized farm. I'll leave a couple links below as normal. Nice little 360 view of how it looks here. Beautiful greenery, tropical fruits, vegetables. Obviously got some cows and horses. And even some exotic birds and mammals. So the sloth is common here in Costa Rica. I believe it's the slowest moving mammal. The metabolism is very slow. So we're gonna see if we can find one. But yeah, this app is called Worldpackers. It's a website as well where you volunteer your time, maybe 3 to 5 hours a day, 5 days a week, in exchange for accommodations. And obviously learning something new, getting your hands dirty as you travel the world. Worldpackers. Leave a link below. Let's go see if we can find us a sloth here. See some chickens straight ahead. I sleep great, by the way. So yeah, here's my host. Her name is Jennifer. If you guys say hi to her. It's an eco-tourist farm. Hola, Jennifer.
Hola.
You see a sloth?
Yeah, we're
Yeah?
checking it out.
It's the first time. I've never seen one, by the way.
Ooh.
Never. So this is a first for me.
All right.
But I do vlogging as well, video blog as I travel. So this is definitely part of
Perfect.
my first experience here.
Nice.
And I'll share the link that way you guys can
Yeah.
come out. So it's right down the left.
Exactly.
Is that it?
Yes, over here.
Okay. Bien. Oh, I cooked, by the way. So if you want some food, I made some fish and
Nice.
boiled corn, bananas, potatoes.
Amazing.
Okay, I don't know.
Come here.
Yeah. Oh wow, he's sleeping.
He's sleeping and it's with a baby.
Oh, with a baby.
You can see the little claws in the back of it.
Yeah. Does this have a name? It comes here often, huh?
See, this we have two types of sloths.
Ah.
The finca, this one is 2 fingers.
2 fingers.
2 toes. This one has more hair,
Mm.
more long hair.
Yeah.
But there is another species that has shorter hair.
Okay.
Look, it's moving the baby.
Oh, it's moving.
It's moving.
Want to say hi? Hey. They're probably sleeping now, huh? Their time to rest. Yeah.
They take time to rest, yes.
Okay.
Actually, they're most of the time sleeping, and sometimes we see them come down to poop.
Oh yeah.
And then they...
Okay. Awesome. Well, maybe I'll catch them a little bit closer, because you don't want to wake them or shake the tree. They're like, hey, wake up.
You can keep an eye. You know it's here, so you can come whenever and see if it's more down.
otra rápidamente y volver aquí si quieren ver este.
So again, it's
There's
my
another
host
one.
here. It's my host Jennifer. They have this farm, eco farm here. Worldpackers Volunteer. Come out here and get your hands dirty as you travel. It's another way. You can do your Airbnb and hotels, but why not learn something new as you travel, right? And assist and help. Hola. All right, show you guys around some more of this small town, Guapiles, Costa Rica. Hola, pollo. Some chicken.
¿Lo viste ya? Esto en Instagram, a ver, la parte de abajo.
There's another one.
See, there's another one in the middle of the branch. You see, hanging on the side, also asleep.
Wow.
And more above, but this is at 3 toes. You can see the hair is different.
Uh-huh.
It's also
So
a big one.
they come out at night.
How do you know? You walk around and look at all the trees?
See, we know this tree is their favorite.
Okay.
Okay.
So whenever you see a tree like this in Costa Rica, you can most likely find a sloth
I
close
see.
by because they eat the leaves
Oh, they eat the leaves.
and they get high on the leaves.
Oh, they get high.
Ah,
So they stay, they sleep, they
Oh.
get their nutrients, it's slow, it's metabolism.
because the metabolism is slow.
Exactly.
Nice. What's the name of this tree? Do you know? ¿Cómo se llama?
Guarumo.
Guarumo. Yeah. Okay.
Es el árbol más apetecido por ellos.
Okay.
Ajá, sí.
El
Favorito.
preferido, el favorito.
Okay, so there you have it. El Viejo Del Monte. Ecotourism.